new Samsung S21 FE 5G. So most of it's a PCS, and then they took it off the case and everything. But it does have the tempered glass. I don't think you can see it. Let me take off the case. Yeah. Okay, so this is the case. It has, and then this is the phone. It does have like a tempered glass on it. I don't know if you can see that. But it has like it's black, has like a matte kind of finish. And this is it on. It's already on. It just needs to connect to charger. And right now there's no internet connection with it. But let's look at the camera. So this has more. Oh, and it has hyperlapse pro video pair dual. Oh, the dual recording multiple right here. You can see what I'm right there. And I'm gonna do where I take pictures, and it has like a lot of storage, so that's it. And then this is the box. So what comes inside. You got the instructions, and then you got the charger. Right now it's on 19%. And let's take off. I'm gonna, if you want me to do a more in-depth video on the screen and how and the apps and stuff I did, then yeah. But this is basically it. The phone. I'm about to transfer all my stuff over. But yeah, that's basically it. And I will be using this because I needed a new phone anyways. And I think this has like 200 or so. 200 gigabytes or 100 gigabytes. And this is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Yeah, and it's in black. But yeah, thanks for watching. So let me turn back the phone on. I was trying to. So this is. Let's go to the settings. We can find where the settings are. See, this is all the apps I have normally. And then this is the Metro Facebook. I don't really use Facebook. This is like the simple apps: Samsung Notes, Calculator, Google all my emails. I gotta check that. And then, oh, we got LinkedIn, Outlook, and stuff like that. I already transferred everything over to my phone, to my new phone now. I have all of these, so now let's put them in their set groups. Hold up. So we're gonna put them in their set groups. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So let's name this one social media. And then let's go with a different color. Let's have orange. And then we name this YouTube editing. And then this one, hold up, these are different. This is not gonna be a folder because this is the same. And then this one, we'll leave it as shopping, even though I really don't do a lot of shopping, to tell you that. It will let me edit, but this will be shopping. And this is the tips. Any new tips or anything like that. But we want to go to settings, right? Yeah. Where would settings be? Okay, here are settings. So, the Wi-Fi. It's connected to the Wi-Fi already. So, display. This is what you show as display. And, ooh, you can zoom in the screen. Oh, you can zoom it in. Ooh, interesting. Touch 70 increases touch 70 sensitivity. And then screen timeout for 30 seconds. We're going to leave it at 30 seconds. Yeah. And the wallpaper. Let's check. I don't have any thing to use for the wallpaper right now, but these are the basic wallpapers that they have. I mean, that's on the phone. And then themes. You can see like random galaxy themes. The home screen. And then lock screen. I'm gonna leave the clock style. Oh, I can leave it like this. Or I can leave it like that. Let's do it like that, because that seems, I like that one. Ooh, and you can change the color of the, oh my. That is so cool. And then this is the widgets. Like the alarm and everything. You can, but I just want to keep it how it is, because so I don't get confused. And then this also has fingerprints, and I think it has fingerprint and touch ID. So we're gonna do my pin, a random pin, but I'm gonna carry it in my pin. So now we're gonna do my, it's let me do my finger multiple times. Okay. Alright, done. And then I'm gonna sign into this one off. Now we'll just sign into my Samsung because I don't have this. Yeah. You can do face recognition, but I'm not doing that. That's the thing. Fingerprint, location, advanced features. Let's look at the advanced features. Video call effects, and this is parent controls. You want to have parent controls. I'm not doing parent controls because I'm technically 19, probably an adult soon. I was technically I'm kind of an adult. General management. So let's see. Again, so now this back to the camera. It has photo portrait mode, and it has single take. I don't know what single take is, I'll look more into that. And then this is the video. And then here is more. More has hyperlapse, dual recording, super slow motion, and then portrait video. That's interesting actually. And that's where you can find it. And then it has VV Vision Art AR Doodle. What is AR Doodle? Oh, you have to download that. But I'm not turn my location tags on because I'm not trying for people to see me. And then camera again, and then you have is night mode right here. I'm gonna take some pictures, but as of right now, we're not taking pictures right now. But you do have night mode on here too, and with like nighttime. I'm gonna take pictures with this night mode, but right now we're not at night mode because I don't really need to do anything. And then when you go scroll all the way down, Bluetooth screen record. If you're trying to record something, there goes the screen recording. I don't have to actually download an app to screen record. Yes, I don't have to do that. and then link windows, and then dark mode. This is like their dark mode in case you want to have your mode dark. And then what else? Get off of dark mode. Oh, dark mode. Do not disturb. Can't scan your QR code and stuff like that. I'm gonna complete the setup of my app with it, but that's basically it. Oh, and this is the weather. It's like 67 degrees outside, if you're wondering. But that's basically it of my phone. I actually really like this phone, and yeah. Oh, wow, warnings off. Yeah. So when you go all the way down. No, go to here. Volume, like sounds of vibration. If you're a BTS fan, you understand this. Okay, so on the very top right there, you see where it says "Over the Rise" by Sugar by BTS. This is it. That's it. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but that's basically it. I'm gonna have that's my ringtone. Yes, you know why if you're a BTS fan. But that's about it. And I'm gonna turn my lock screen in my background later, but not right now. But this is the phone. Tell me if you like it, if you don't like it, if you will get this phone or not. This was $600 for this phone. Just so you know that. But yeah.